Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Amara's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make these delicious buffalo chicken wings. If this is your first time on this channel, please do not forget to click on that subscription button and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload any of these delicious recipe you would love. Alright guys, without wasting much of your time, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and share this video as well. The next step is to get all your chicken wings out and go ahead and cut this. So you make sure you're cutting it at the middle. You see the bone, so make sure you're not cutting on the bone. So just maneuver your knife and you cut it out without even cutting the bone. And also I'll cut off the tips. So the tips I'm not going to be throwing away. I will save that for future purpose. Yes, you want to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the recipes I'll be making. I'll be posting on this channel. So once I'm done cutting all the chicken, I'm using about 2 pounds of chicken. So I'll go ahead and cut everything up just the way they are right now, and I'll place them in a large bowl. Yeah, a large bowl that will be big enough to contain all your chicken. So I'll be adding some lemon. If you have lime, if you choose to use lime, that's completely fine. So go ahead and squeeze all the juice out of the lime or lemon, whatever you choose to use is just fine. And I will massage this properly, like I will use my hands. If you don't feel comfortable using your bare hands, you can go ahead and put on some gloves. But you know what? My hands are meant to be used for cooking and eating and doing a lot of stuff. So I wouldn't mind using my hands. I can wash my hands properly with soap and water when I'm done. So once we are done massaging the lemon inside the chicken, I'll add room temperature water and wash this and rinse them up properly, and make sure you remove the seed from the lemon that was inside the chicken when we were squeezing them out. So here we are. My chicken is well washed and cleaned, rinsed properly. So I'm using my paper towel to make sure I dab them until I have all the water removed, like I'm using, as you can see what I'm doing right now. So the first paper towel kind of get a little bit saturated. I change it and use another paper towel. So I keep doing this until it's all dried up. So I'll be adding sesame oil. So this is like the best secret to having these delicious buffalo wings, adding sesame oil, and I'm also adding some salt to taste. So I'll go ahead again, use my hand and massage this very well. So look at how that is shining due to the sesame oil, and it smells so amazing, guys. I wish you can smell this already. So while I'm letting that sit for a few minutes, I'll go ahead and warm up my vegetable oil. Use any vegetable oil of your choice. Once my oil is heated up, I'll go ahead and start adding my chicken. Remember, the oil needs to be at medium high temperature. You don't want it to be too high, neither do you want it to be at low, because when it's at low, the chicken ends up sucking up a lot of oil, and when it's at a high, it gets burned outside while inside is not cooked. So here we are. All my chicken is properly fried right now. So the next step, we'll go ahead and prep our sauce. We only need 2 ingredients, which is the butter. I'll be adding some butter, and I'll go ahead and just sprinkle in a little bit of oil just to prevent the butter from burning. So once all the butter and everything is mixed, I'll be adding some sauce. And what sauce am I using? I'm using Frank Red Hot sauce. Yes, if you have any favorite sauce of your choice, please go ahead and use that. So this is my favorite one, so I'm using it. So I'll go ahead and cook this up for like 3 to 5 minutes until the butter and the sauce is well combined together. At this point, I'll go ahead and add in my sauce with the chicken. So this is a very simple recipe. You don't need a whole lot of ingredients. No, you just need about 2 to 3 ingredients: the chicken, the soy sauce, and butter, and a little bit of oil, salt. Yeah, that's it. You don't need a whole lot. So I'll go ahead and toss this around gently. Look at that, until they are well combined. So guys, look at how beautiful that chicken is looking. So like I said before, this recipe is so easy to put together and even cheap. So before you start this recipe, the first thing you need, of course, is the chicken. Before you even think about doing this recipe, you need the chicken, and you need some sesame oil, you need some butter, a little bit of vegetable oil, salt to taste, and that's just about it. You don't need a lot. Yeah, you don't need a lot. So if you're used to going to the buffalo chicken wings restaurant, you can imagine, or you can testify to what I mean, that they are really expensive. Like, shopping from there is very expensive. So guys, you can put this together in your home in less than 15 minutes. This recipe is done, and you can have your side. I'm using some celery and some carrots. Yes, that's what they use. When I order this from there, that's just the sides that usually come with it. So I decided to make mine, and it was amazing, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider clicking on that subscription button, turn the notification bell on, share this video, and give this video a thumbs up as well. So for my dressing, I used ranch, and I also used sweet onions dressing. So I combine both together. That's amazing. So if you have your favorite dressing, please do go ahead and use whatever that works for you. So guys, that's it for this recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. Look at how yummy, juicy the chicken is looking inside. Yeah, so the outside is very crunchy, but inside is so juicy. That's what you need to achieve from this recipe. All right guys, the next I'll be showing you guys my fried rice. If you really want to see the recipe to this delicious fried rice, do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell on, so you'll be the first to get notified once this recipe is out. Yes, you need to see that. So the last but not the least, the chicken thighs, the tip of it, I'm not going to throw that away. I'll just put them in a Ziploc and throw them in the freezer and save them till whenever I'm ready to use them. Okay guys, do not forget to share this recipe, like it, subscribe, turn the notification bell on. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.